Welcome back, children. Once again, this is Ansu here. Today, we will be discussing the third chapter, that is Advanced Formatting in MS Word, Part 1. Shall we go through the contents? Today, we are going to discuss what is page formatting and how to apply themes and borders. Page formatting. An important part of creating an effective document is its appearance. When you create a document in MS Word, the important thing is how it looks like, that is, its appearance. MS Word provides various features to enhance the appearance of your document. If everything is written in the same way, people will not find it good to read through it or see through it. So what you have to do is you have to highlight which are the important things. You can beautify it with different fonts. You can increase the size of certain things, even decrease the size of the other things as per your requirement. So it has a lot of features to enhance the appearance of the document. These features are available on the page layout tab. All these features that you require lies in the page layout tab. The page layout tab has 5 groups. It consists of 5 groups. They are themes, page setup, page background, paragraph and arrange. These are the 5 groups of things that you find in page layout tab. Applying themes. A document theme is a set of formatting options such as colors, fonts and effects. It is a set of colors, fonts and effects that you apply on the document. Applying themes gives a nice look to your document. It actually beautifies your document. It makes it more presentable for you to read through it. MS Office provides many inbuilt themes. MS Office has a lot of inbuilt themes inside it which you can use for this purpose. Steps to apply a theme to the document. What are the different steps that is needed to apply a particular theme to your document? The first thing is you need to open the document for which you want to change the theme. Theme means the overall appearance of the document. So whichever document, maybe it should be a book, it should be a paragraph of something that you have written, anything can be taken. That page has to be taken first. You have to open that page where the content is. Then click the page layout tab. The theme settings is in the page layout tab. So you have to click on the page layout tab. From that you have to click on the themes icon. The themes gallery appears. From that the theme gallery opens. Then there are a lot of things that is already built in inside it. You can select from one of those themes. Especially when I'm doing PPTs, I usually use a built-in theme. So it is already good. They will change the colors here and there and make it presentable for you. So I am already using a customized built-in theme. Similarly, you can do the same thing in MS Word. To apply a custom theme under custom, click the theme you want to customize. If you want to make it into a particular font and a particular color, that is, you want to customize according to your requirements, then that is also possible. You just need to click on the custom option inside it and then save the document. Once you finish that, you need to save the document. So the steps are very easy. You have to first take the page that you want to edit. The second step is you need to click on the page layout tab. From that you have to click on the themes group. From the themes group, either you go for the built-in options of the themes or you can go for the custom option and then save the document. Adding page borders. Next is how to add a page border. Sometimes when you're presenting a card or an invitation that you want to give, you cannot give the card as it is. It is not presentable. So you need to apply some kind of border on this side. There are lots of plain borders that are available in MS Word which is already built in. There are additional borders which are having artwork also on it, which makes it very beautiful according to the theme you require. You can download more also from the internet if required. A page border is a border that appears around the page. It appears always around the page. You can choose any style, color line thickness for the page border. That is, you can increase the thickness of the border or you can even make very thin ones too. It depends on how you want it. You can select it on the color that you like or black if that is more easier for you. You can also add a graphical border that repeats the same image as a pattern. It is a graphical one is you can have a pencil shape. If you're doing something related to school, you can take a pencil model and apply the pencil all across as the border. These patterns will be repeated all across the borders. Steps to add a page border. What are the different steps involved in applying a page border? Open the document to which you want to add a page border. The first thing is you have to open your document or your text where it needs to be edited. Then you have to click on the page layout tab. In the page layout, from the page background group, click the page borders. In the page layout tab, you have to look for page background. In that, you will find something called page borders, and in that you have to click borders and shading. You have to click borders and shading. So the first thing is page layout tab. From page background group, you have to look for page borders. From page borders, you have to look for borders and shading. Then under the settings, you have to select the type of border that you require. Then the style list comes. From that you can check the style which you want, in which way your border should look like. And from the color drop down list, you can select the color of the border that you require. From the width drop down list, select the required width. From the list that comes, you have to select the required width you want. Once you have selected the border you like and the color you like, the next step is you have to find the thickness. For that, you have to enter the thickness from the drop down list. From the art drop down list, select the required graphical border if image border is required. This is another thing. If you want a plain border, the step finishes there. If you want a graphical border or a design border, then you have to click on the art drop down list, and then from there you need to find the graphical border that suits your requirement. Under preview, from the apply to drop down list, select the required option. You can preview it on the side by clicking on it. You can see on the side in a small format how it will look like, and then you need to just click OK and save the document. This is very easy. Just go through it. It only takes a few clicks. While writing it out, it may take a longer steps, but it is very easy to understand. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation. Please go through the contents one by one and understand the concept. Thank you.